As a professionally built custom that delivers on every level, this sweet 67 Stingray is the kind of car you simply cannot ignore. It wraps a custom chassis, a modern transmission, and a 6.2-liter V8 in a tasteful restoration that oozes style and class. A recent professional build began with a full soda blast of the car's solid body. Acute reinforcements were added to abate typical C2 cracks. Slick Mercedes Palladium Silver put the icing on the cake, and today, this top-notch drop top rolls as a spectacular piece of iconic American muscle that's detailed to better-than-new standards. Slip into this roadster's well-tailored cockpit and settle on tight leather buckets that were sourced from a late-model Corvette. A dual-cowl dash found silver-face gauges with controls for modern air conditioning in the glove box, and a correct-looking AM/FM receiver with an auxiliary input. A custom console frames a lengthened shifter, while the driver spins a billet steering wheel. Lift the hood and you'll find 6.2 liters of Chevrolet Performance LS 376, rated at 495 horsepower and 473 pound-feet of torque. Putting that power to the ground is a Tremec 5-speed and a quick-change rear end. Thanks to its fresh restoration, this vivid drop top retains authentic Motor City feel while adding modern components to an already awesome ownership experience. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.